Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about the Hugging Face. If you have an account on GitHub but not on Hugging Face, sorry to say it, you are not yet a real AI contributor. Just kidding, but also not really. Hugging Face is where AI is shared, trained, and celebrated. What's Hugging Face? It's not just a library. Hugging Face is a community, a platform, a hub. Imagine a GitHub, but instead of code, it's full of AI models, datasets, spaces like mini web apps powered by AI, and yes, actual emoji hugging faces. Why it matters? Whether you are into speech recognition like I'm doing for Kinyarwanda, natural language processing, computer vision, or just exploring, Hugging Face gives you tools like transformers for deep learning models, datasets to work with huge data easily, evaluate, tokenizers, even whisper, TROCR, and more. It's where research meets practice. Start with just these steps. Create your own account at huggingface.co. Browse the models, try them, run your first model using pip install transformers, upload your own dataset, make it public. You're now an AI contributor for real. So if you're learning AI or building something cool with machine learning, Hugging Face is where your work can shine. I am already uploading my models and datasets for my local projects, even training AI to understand Kinyarwanda. Let's shape the future of OpenAI. Together, follow me, try it out. Let's hug some faces. Yeah!